Yes. So that's when the differences happen. We try to misbehave with people, we try to discriminate them, we try to show them that difference, that we are different. While playing, you win and you lose. That playing difference is, you show that we are a good team, that you are a bad team. But that too, you must, the loser part also has a good sportsman spirit. Just because you win, you cannot say, oh, see, we won, you are useless people. No, it's not like that. We should not make any differences. But times do happen, people do make differences. Okay. So difference, when difference comes in, prejudice comes in. Now what is prejudice? Prejudice is to harm someone or an injure or an injury. It results to some action or judgment which you have done to the mind or to the soul or to the heart, not by hitting. We get bias, okay, causing harm. A reason or actual experience, or people of different backgrounds, without any reason, based on reason or actually it's that is not based on any reason or actual experience. They may decide they do not like them because of their skin color. This is racial prejudice. Religion, religious prejudice, or nationality is nationality prejudice. Such prejudice can lead to discrimination, hatred, or even war. So we'll come to discrimination later. Understood? See, prejudice is an unjustified or incorrect attitude. It's usually negative towards any other person. It's either on a individual membership of group or a social group. A person, like suppose I'll take my example. I have a view towards a certain race or gender. Oh, the eunuchs, I don't like eunuchs. They are thieves, they are this, they are that, criminals. That's example, I'll be called as sexist. I try to derive and say negative, incorrect, unjustified things about a race or gender. That is called a sexist. It's about a gender I'm talking about. That is prejudice. We should not do that. Sometimes we make fun how we do our prayers in different religions. Not good. Sometimes we say about color. Like I am black. Right. I am dark, I am black. I love my color. God has given me this color with a reason and I am proud of it. I don't care what people say. But if someone tells me, oh, go away, you are dark, you are black, you are useless, you cannot come to us, we are fair people, then I will give my peace of mind. That's not way to be done. Okay. So, there are many things that make us what we are. How we live, languages we speak, what we eat, what we wear, the games we play, even what are the things that we celebrate. Now, all of these are influenced both by the geography and the history of a place where we live. We are living in India. Let's take it on a whole thing of the country. We are living in India. All of these influenced both by the geographical factors and the history of the place where we live. What we eat, what we speak, the languages we speak, what we wear, the games we play, and the things we celebrate. Like, do you play with rubber bands here? It's called chungi or something, I don't know. Lot of rubber bands together. Do you play that? You have to kick the rubber band with your hand, with your shoulder, with your leg. You cannot let that bunch of rubber band fall on the ground. You don't play that here. Go to Darjeeling, you see it's an awesome game. Go to Sikkim, it's an awesome game. Boys and children are playing that. Super! If he cannot let that bunch of rubber bands fall to the ground, imagine what he does with the football. He won't let it come to the ground. We don't play that, but it's happening in India. We play a lot of games here. When I was in Kesaria, this game was there of that stick, you say some Indian hockey or something. There are holes and you run with the stick and you put the stick into the hole and no one can touch you, and he throws the ball, you have to hit the ball or something, whatever goes on. I have seen children play. They call it hockey. Someone call it hockey. They don't pronounce it right. So many type of games, that tells us what we are, what type of people we are. So you will get an idea how diverse our country is. Now, there are 8 major religions in the world. Every single one is practiced in India. We have 1600 languages that are people's mother tongues. And there are more than 100 dance forms. So can you imagine the diversity? The different type of people we have in our country. 8 major religions in the world. All are practiced in India. 1600 languages are all mother tongues. Someone is born and they speak that because their mother speaks that. So many different people, different cultures. And there are more than 100 dance forms. Yet, this diversity is not always celebrated. We always feel, safe with people who look alike like us, who talk like us, who dress like us, who think like us. Sometimes in life also, when we meet people, when I was younger, I have changed a lot. Who are different from us, we may find them strange and unfamiliar. At times we don't understand, or we may not understand or know the reasons why they are different from us. People also have certain different attitudes, opinions about others who are not like them. Like there was a milkman who used to come to our house, used to come in a dhoti. And I from my childhood, my parents have been dog lovers. I've seen my parents being dog lovers, and I have a lot of dogs at home. I've got 7-8 dogs. They are all Alsatians, and there are Labradors, and there's a hound, So this Alsatian, the little one, used to not like the milkman and his dhoti. He used to only go and pull his dhoti. He did not like that because he used to always see me in other clothes. He used to get very angry. So I used to tell him, why do you wear this? He said, this is my clothes. This is what I wear. Then I started looking into it. What is this all about? Why do some people are wearing lungis and this, that? Then my culture started. But I did not abuse that person. I did not say, get out from here, don't come from tomorrow, my dog does not like you. I did not do that. I cannot say prejudice. I cannot do prejudice. I cannot discriminate him. There are so many people different. He is also working. He is bringing milk. He is delivering milk to our house for some money. He may be not rich, but milkmen are very rich. Right? So, we try to tend to be with people who are like us. Even sometimes I stopped going to relative houses, because I used to not be able to stay with them. The way I have been brought up, the way I have led my life, I cannot stay. I have been most of my life in the hostel, most of my life in the jungle, in the military. So I can't get into with people, but I don't discriminate them, but I'm not abusing them. I celebrate everything. I talk to all religions. I talk to all people. I shake hands with everybody. You have seen me doing it. I love everybody. I respect everybody. Everybody has to be there. Dignity has to be maintained. Okay? So I'll meet you in the next class again. Till then, take care. We'll go with this chapter further. We have to come to know, to understand what is things in life. Then only we'll be able to answer any question in our life. Okay? Take care, be good, respect your parents and listen to them. Don't make them upset. They are the best ever thing God has given you in your life. So take care, eat, sleep, play, study and do whatever you want after you study also. Bye bye.